In this video, we delve into the intriguing world of Lucciana Beynon, a figure who has remained somewhat elusive amidst the flamboyant spotlight of her family's fame. Lucciana Beynon is known primarily as the daughter of Australian businessman Travers Beynon, who is also known as the Candyman. Lucciana Beynon was born into a wealthy family in Australia. Her father, Travers Beynon, is a former Australian rules footballer turned businessman known for his extravagant lifestyle and business ventures. Lucciana has maintained a relatively low public profile. She does not actively seek attention in the media or on social platforms like her father does.